less lonely people in the world tonight.
Hello mga mi! Ayan for today's video. I-flex ko lang yung mini video okay ko na na-order ko sa online. So mima ko yung in-order ko, sinamahan ko na ng bag. Para naman hindi na ako mahirapan kung saan ko siya gustong dalhin. At syempre mi, buksan na natin yan. May mga variant na color siya na pwede mong pagpilian. Pero syempre mima ko, dahil girl ako ay pink na ang in-order ko. Meron po itong dalawang mic at ito na po yung kanyang rechargeable port. Testing na natin kung talagang gumagana.
Hello, sound. I was down, my mind was when you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to dream from day to day, looking for the love never came my way. When you smile and I reach out, I could tell you were lonely too. When the day all began for you and me, the moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. In my life, where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
So mga mima ko, nasa comment section lang po yung link to check out. Para naman pag meron kayong okasyon ay hindi na kayo magrenta ng video okay.